Shelby County Schools is working to make its students safer. Today, SCS joined with the Health Department and the Mid-South Emergency Planning Coalition to introduce a new set of potentially life-saving resources.
That no one ever wants to use within the QuikClot school district, but the superintendent, Linda Adams, told me the QuikClot belt trauma kits are now available in case of another Sandy Hook type incident or a student getting severely injured playing sports.
Also now, Shelby County Schools is the first school district in Tennessee to unveil potentially life-saving resources designed to provide personnel the necessary tools to treat severe injuries resulting accidents, natural disasters, or planned attacks. Those new tools include QuikClot bleeding control bags and trauma kits.
Mass shootings have become so frequent that schools and hospitals, they're preparing themselves. They're buying new equipment, things like advanced combat gauze that helps clot blood faster in traumatic wounds. Fox 13's Sarah Blue was there for today's training.
Shelby County Schools trained 100 school resource officers to use this. Belts with equipment to treat one trauma injury.
We have many moving parts and pieces in our district. When we're a human capacity organization, you're bound to have injuries occur.